Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Instagram threads login issue unable to login account access fix 2026. Fix 1. Force browser reset. First of all, you have to open the web browser on your computer or phone. Navigate to instagram.com and log into your account. Open a new tab and go to the threads.net and click on login with Instagram to link your account. Open the Threads mobile app and attempt to log in again. Fix to clear app data and cache. For Android, you have to open the phone setting, then tap on apps or apps and notification. Find and tap threads, then tap on storage. Then tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data. For iPhone, open your phone setting, select general, then tap on iPhone storage. Scroll down and tap threads. Tap on offload. This can clear cache while keeping the data. Then tap on reinstall app. Fix 3. Perform a clean reinstall. Long press the thread icon on your home screen and select delete or uninstall. Restart your phone. Open the Google Play Store on Android or App Store on your iPhone. Search for the thread app which is associated with Instagram. Tap install on Android or get on iPhone to download the latest version. Fix 4. Verify your Instagram credential. Open the regular Instagram app, complete any security checks, terms, updates, or suspicious login pops ups immediately. Once Instagram opens to your feed, return to threads. Then tap on login with the Instagram. Thanks for watching.